Hey, what's going on, guys? Calvin Russell here, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today, we're going to show you guys really quickly the 7 ways to get business funding fast. Okay, there are several different options depending on various factors that I'm about to go into on how to get business funding, depending on what how long you've been in business, what your revenue is. Let's just go straight into it. All right. So, one of the easiest ways to go is going to be with a term loan. Okay, with a term loan, you can actually get funding as fast as 1 day. To qualify, you're going to need 1 year or more in business, $200,000 a year or more in annual revenue, and a credit score of 600 and higher. For those who don't know, online term loans are a direct alternative to bank loans. They offer high principal amounts and extended payment repayment terms, although the amount may be capped lower than what you'll find at a big bank. Okay. Next is going to be a short-term loan. This one you can get funding as fast as the same day. Okay. All you need is 1 year or more in business, $75,000 a year or more in annual revenue. And this was a little bit nicer on the credit score. You only need a 540 or higher. Okay. So, in short, if you need to borrow a large amount of money and need it quickly, a fast short term business loan could be your best bet. Okay. Now, mind you, all of these are going through Fast Capital 360. And I like them because, again, they are known for getting the business funding very quickly, obviously, depending on if you meet the qualifying factors. Okay. Next is going to be a business line of credit. This one you can get funding as fast as 1 day. You only need to be in business 1 year or more, $200,000 a year in annual revenue, and a credit score of 560 or higher. Okay. This one is if flexibility is what you need, a business line of credit is a top quick loan option. Approved borrowers can withdraw as much funding as they need from the pre-approved credit limit. Interest is only paid on what you take out. All right. Next is going to be accounts receivable financing. Now, this you got to have the like more so invoices, things of that sort, because everyone's business is set up a little bit differently. But this one you can get funding as fast as the same day. You only need to be in business 1 year or more. 150,000 or more in annual revenue, a credit score of 600 or higher. Okay. This one is also known as AR financing, accounts receivable, sometimes called invoice financing as well, refers to the practice of selling unpaid invoices in exchange for an advance worth a percentage of their value. Okay. Next is going to be merchant cash advances. Now, this was going to give you funding as fast as the same day. You only need to be in business 4 months or more, $100,000 a year or in annual revenue or more, and a credit score of 500 or more. Okay. The merchant cash advance is an alternative when you're in search for a small business loan with instant approval. While not a loan, a merchant cash advance, also known as an MCA, provides a sum of cash that must be repaid over a term with interest. Okay. And then, of course, last but not least, is our equipment financing. Now, this one's going to give you funding as fast as 2 days. You only need to be in business for 2 years or more, $160,000 a year, in annual revenue. And by the way, guys, all these annual revenue numbers are gross revenue. So before taxes, before you pay out anything. And this one, you just need a credit score of 620 and higher. Equipment financing is a great fast business loan option for businesses with industries that rely on having the latest and most dependable equipment to effectively operate. Okay. Now, of course, this is everything's going through Fast Capital 360. They are known for giving you guys access to business funding quite quickly, and they also have a lot of other options as well too. So let's say, for example, if you guys want to go the traditional SBA Express Loan, this one is funded within 7 to 60 days, a little bit longer. But this one, of course, you'll need to be in business for 2 years or more in business, $50,000 a year or more in annual revenue, and a credit score of 650 or higher. Okay. We kind of talked about SBA loans in another video, but in short, think of an SBA Express loan as a middle ground between bank loans and the fast business funding from online lenders. You get a bit of the best of both worlds, thanks in part of the Small Business Administration. Okay, and this just kind of just goes into how to apply for a business loan. In general, and it's real simple. Answer a few basic questions, let them know about your business history and your finances. Tell them a little bit about so they can determine your eligibility, just in case you want to go with a certain loan type but you don't qualify. Then you're going to connect your bank account so they can verify everything. And then last, you're going to choose the option, choose the offer that's best for you and get your money deposited directly into your bank account, sometimes within hours if you meet the qualifications. Okay. So either way, guys, I got the link right up here at the top, and I'll go ahead and put the link in also the description below. And guys, keep in mind, it doesn't hurt to even see what you guys qualify for. Okay. So even if you're like, well, I don't know if I need anything 6 months from now, a year from now, whatever, but it does help to know that whenever you're ready, that you can go ahead and grab whatever you need to, for your business. Get whatever your business needs, guys. There is funding out here for your business. You don't have to save and then kind of spend. You can go ahead and start getting access to capital right away, guys. Of course, if you like this video, like it, you want to share it, share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe as we got nothing but great content well on the way, guys. Thank you all so much. Have a great day.